Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update to, of course, Microsoft Edge that was released late Thursday and actually was rolling out Friday. And this is, of course, the new version of Edge 149. If you go to the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, you will be at 149.0.4022.52. This is as of today, Saturday, June 6th. Now, there isn't a lot of front-facing feature, but there is something, a couple of things that are removed. If you actually use the collection feature, it's gone. They finally totally removed it on version 149. They also removed the sidebar. And so this is something that's a little controversial. Some people like the collection feature. So it's kind of weird that they took it off. One of the things that they are also doing is that they might be increasing the amount of AI with Copilot if it is turned on in your browser. But the most important thing is that it fixes tons and tons and tons of security flaws. As you've seen this week, Chrome had 421 security flaws, a lot of critical. And that means that Chromium browsers are, of course, full of security flaws that need to be fixed. Also, 421 is a huge number of security flaws to fix. So those were probably fixed in here in 149.0.4022.52. And that means that it's the best way to stay safe. Of course, updates are especially security updates, are the number one way to stay safe on PCs and on computers. So very important to update at least for the security fixes that are in the browser. For the rest, if you did I liked the collection feature. I find it sad that it's gone. But if you were using it, you'll notice that it's now disappeared from your browser, so as the sidebar. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.